Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to add folder in Taskbar in Windows. So first of all, what you have to do is go to the location where your folder is located. Once you do that, what you have to do is right click on the folder. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Simply click on the option Send To. Now you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the option for desktop over here. Simply click on it. Now the shortcut for this folder will be created in the desktop. Now what you have to do is go to the desktop, look at that folder. Now right click on that folder. Now what you have to do is rename it and remove the shortcut over here. So simply click on the option Rename. Now erase the shortcut. Now after doing that, right click on the folder again. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Right over here, you'll not be able to find the option for pin to taskbar. So if you want to find that option, what you have to do is simply click on the option Properties. Now you can see over here the windows for properties will be opened. Over here you'll be able to find several options like general, shortcut, security, details, etc. Make sure shortcut option is selected. Now over here you'll be able to find the options like target type, target location, target, etc. Over here in the target field, simply click at the first. Now what you have to do is enter explorer.exe. Now give a space. Now after doing that, click on the option OK. Now you can see over here the look of the folder will be changed. Now what you have to do is right click on the folder again. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for pin to taskbar. Simply click on it. Now you can see over here that particular folder will be pinned to the taskbar. You can simply click on it in order to open it. So like this, you'll be able to add folder in taskbar in Windows. So that is how you add folder in taskbar in Windows. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.